Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about the stability of vitamin C skincare products. Exposure to UV rays, poor diet, pollution or smoking causes the formation of free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are extremely harmful to our bodies. They damage the cells, they're very aggressive and they damage the cells in our body. They also cause rapid aging of our skin. Antioxidants are substances that neutralize the effect of free radicals. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. In skincare products, vitamin C usually is available in the form of, it appears in the form of ascorbic acid. Vitamin C products, unfortunately, are highly unstable. So when they're exposed to air, light, iron and copper, they get oxidized. And once they're oxidized, their effect on our skin reduces. It just goes rancid and it's not effective as much, or probably not at all effective anymore. By oxidized, I mean like if you take an apple and cut it in half and leave it out, expose it to air and light, it turns brown. And once it turns brown, the apple doesn't taste the same. The same with vitamin C skincare products. So once it goes rancid, it's not effective on our skin. So skincare manufacturers do a lot of different things to make sure that the skincare product is does not go rancid quickly and it has a longer shelf life. So some of the things that they do are, number one, in packaging. Packaging plays a very important role in vitamin C skincare products. It has to be opaque. That means it should not be see-through, because if it's see-through, it's exposed to light and that can make the vitamin C product go rancid. So check the product, check the packaging of the vitamin C product. If it is opaque, then it's definitely not going to last long and it's probably not an effective vitamin C skincare product. Number two, some skincare manufacturers, they use an additional ingredient which can increase the stability of the vitamin C product. For example, they can use something like vitamin E or ferulic acid. So if you will often see ferulic acid in a lot of vitamin C skincare products, it's there to actually increase the stability of the vitamin C skincare product. Number three, some of them actually completely give ascorbic acid a miss, and they can use derivatives of ascorbic acid, and one of the derivatives that's commonly used is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. And now the derivatives are not, the derivatives of vitamin C products are not as effective as the pure form of vitamin C, which is the ascorbic acid, but they do have a longer shelf life, which is also very important. Tips about vitamin C skincare products: don't expose them too much to air or light. Just take them quickly and close the lid tightly. And if you actually see some brown spots appearing on the lid, once you open it, that means it's getting rancid. So, vitamin C skincare products, whatever you do, they don't actually have a long shelf life. So it's not something you can keep on your shelf for long months and months. So try to use them as quickly as you can. And if you see brown spots inside the lid, you can know for sure that it's on the way of going rancid. That's it for this video. We actually decode skincare products in skincabin.com. If you would like to see how your product ranks or how it works, you can head on to skincabin.com and type in your product's name in a search bar, and we list out the ingredients in the product and we'll tell you what each ingredient does. Or maybe if you are after a benefit of the skin, like vitamin C is usually used to brighten up the skin, so maybe go into the search bar and type in skin brightening, and we'll list out all the products which can help you in brightening your skin. Three things before I go. Three things. Number one, skincare first and makeup second. Number two, always use sunscreen. If you don't use sunscreen, whatever product you use is pretty much useless. Number three, ignore the marketing, ignore the fluff of the skincare product, turn to the ingredients, check the ingredients, because ingredients don't lie. That's it for now. Bye.